Hi, this is the Vivo T1 Pro 5G and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch by double press the power key button on this device. So let's launch first the settings, then scroll all the way down to the shortcuts and accessibility. Tap here to Quick Action. Now it's turned on. So here we got turn on flashlight, record option, open camera, Facebook and open app. For example, let's use the open camera option, and now when our screen is off, we should press and hold the volume down button, and by this way we could see that the camera application successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.